going to go outside and see what kind of snow we've had for the last few days. So let's enjoy this. First off, I'm going to walk outside door. We got somebody coming to shovel because I'm not shoveling 12 inches of snow. Oh God. I found the sidewalk, it disappeared. Say some people did some shoveling. We have some people around here with tractors. But yeah. I don't fall in a ditch here. Yeah, I was gonna try to back my truck through this, but it ain't gonna happen. Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah. Well, I see where the hot spot is on my house. We'll have to look at that. Where it's losing insulation. But, yeah, we got about 12 inches, maybe 14 inches here. The roof's even got probably 6 or 8 inches on it up there. And one valley, I know it's at least a foot or so deep. But, okay, well, I got some kids coming that's got some tractors and stuff, and we're gonna get some of it moved. I'm gonna check on my smokestack back there. Okay. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Catch us down the road. We're going to be heading to Texas here in about 2 weeks.